At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
We do not need acts, but actions. The new India is the dream for 130 crore Indians, which is unfolding right before our eyes. The new India is driven by innovation, creativity, and hard work. Cleaner environment and freshness of the new education policy and aspirations of our young generation. India of our dreams is characterized by peace, unity, and tolerance, which is free from corruption and social evils. After so many years of independence, let's evolve not only our thought processes but also our acts for building a nation that is green and clean, safe and secure, progressive and developed.
पेश है आज के ताज़ा समाचार। भारत आज आजादी का जश्न मना रहा है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत का सपना सबकी आंखों में जगमगा रहा है। नया देश, नई नीति, सफलता दिलाएगी तकनीकी। चाहे हम घर में बंद हैं, फिर भी देशभक्ति दिलों में बुलंद है।
पर भरोसा रख तू, इन्हीं कंधों ने तो देश की उम्मीदों को पहाड़ों की ऊंचाइयों की ओर पहुंचाना है। अगर तूने हार मान ली तो देश ने थम जाना है, तो देश ने थम जाना है। With this exhilarating thought, I, Navya Seth, wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. From time out of mind, India has been accomplishing its dreams of becoming an ideal country. And this year, we have a new vision. The vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-reliant India. Atmanirbharta means building an independent national economy which is free from influences of others and their resources, which stands on its own feet, an economy which serves its own people. Only when we mobilize the efforts of all of the people together, we will be able to make an independent nation away from all troubles and a prosperous country everyone has ever dreamed of.
Today, India is the largest democracy in the world. We are one of the most emerging economies and growing rapidly in the field of technology, education, sports, and many more. Which I would like to say that we should be proud to be an Indian. Remember, they sacrificed their lives to give us freedom, and now it's our time to do something significant for our country.
There is both inner and outer cleanliness, it leads to godliness. This statement by Mahatma Gandhi encapsulates the vision behind the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that has driven all the citizens of our country to make this nation into a future-ready economy. More than 6 decades after the independence, we, the people of India, have finally woken up and have taken the onus to cleanse the country of all the dirt. And this bottoms-up approach has finally given up the results. And we have been successful in cleaning a large part of our country. According to a UNICEF report, we have cleaned almost 706 districts and 6,03,175 villages and have made them open defecation free as of January 2020. But the internal cleansing of people's mind and soul is still a milestone that our country is struggling to achieve. The growing crime rate and corruption rate is destroying the overall idea of clean India. This is a journey that will continuously go on till our country claims itself as independent of both the spiritual and physical dirt.
Envisioning a nation where there's community
and joint efforts to solve any problem, ranging from building a road to sanitation facilities as well as working for the cause of alleviation of the oppressed class, is not something unachievable or new. This is based on an old Indian philosophy of equality of human beings, dignity of labor, and the concept of human beings being capable of helping themselves. Namaskar everyone. My name is Sakshi Nautiyal and I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Donate effort, not money. The concept of Shramdan very beautifully reflects the previous lines. Shramdan has been practiced by Indians from age-old times, where Shram denotes effort and Dan means to donate. Unfortunately, due to the lockdown, we have seen various migrant laborers away from their home and not being able to earn a living. But organizations such as Chitrika and Jan Sahas have come forward to help them through Shramdan. The beauty of the idea lies in its simplicity. Anyone from anywhere in the world can take up Shramdan and make their contribution.
मेरे सपनों का भारत कैसा हो, सबकी एक ही लड़ाई हो, सबके पास पढ़ाई हो, सफाई का बड़ा आकार हो, स्वच्छ भारत साकार हो, ऐसे मेरे सपने का भारत हो। गंगा हो या यमुना हो, सभी सफाई का एक नमूना हो, ऐसे मेरे सपने का भारत हो।
Let us take a pledge for New India.
In 1942, our freedom fighters took a pledge of quit India, and in 1947, we achieved independence.
Let us together pledge that by 2020 we build a new India.
Let us together pledge towards a clean India.
Let us together pledge for a poverty-free India.
Let us together pledge for a corruption-free India.
Let us together pledge towards a terrorism-free India.
Let us pledge towards a communalism-free India.
Let us together pledge towards a casteism-free India.
Let us pledge towards making all our fellow countrymen mentally, physically, and emotionally healthy.
Together, let us strive to wholeheartedly.
Let us strive wholeheartedly
To accomplish this pledge.
To accomplish this pledge.
to accomplish this pledge
For a new India.
for a new India.
For a new India.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे